Today we're going to go over Editor for Chrome 3.0.8 and the new features and how to build your page with shortcuts. So I'm going to show you an article that I wrote with Writer for Chrome about the Japan earthquake and Pacific tsunami. I'm just going to copy this and paste it into Editor for Chrome. So, simple way to get started with shortcuts is they're all done with like control keys. And control 1 is your heading 1, and paragraph is control P, div ID is control D, div class is control Q, and then there's some templates to get started, which is control 4, G, and 5. Link is L, and list 0 is for a list, and then owner list is 8 and 9. I mean, I have a whole reference guide on the website. I will show you the link afterwards, how to get there. So to get started, I'm going to make this an H1, this a paragraph. You don't have to use the mouse too, you can go down with the keyboard. I'm going to cut this line. I'm going to make this my link. As you can see, it says link here. I'm going to make this paragraph. I'm just going to cut this link. I'm on a Mac, so it's Apple X to cut, but if you're on a PC, I believe it's Control X to cut. I'm just going to make this a link as well. And I'm going to throw this whole thing into a template, the HTML4 template. By default, it adds it all in a paragraph, so you have to take that out. And then we'll preview. So this is really rough. There's like no formatting, but it's inside of a page, and it only, if you get better as you go, but it only is a couple of seconds to build. And you can save it out to your desktop. Oh, there's already a test. Test 2. It'll say that it says saved your file. It uses Flash to do that. You have to enable the settings if it doesn't work by default. You can also check the syntax highlighting by clicking here. It won't show up until you hit space. You can also go and type in this view as well. Yeah, like you don't really need to though. I'm just showing that you can. That just flips the view back after you click on that. But that was one way to build this page. Another way, if I can remember, say you want to get a list started. This would be an unordered list with 3 lists inside of it. I believe that'll make 4, so I'm going to press Apple E, and it does. It makes 4 lists, and that's actually called Zen coding. It simplifies the coding into just a few shortcuts. On a Mac, it's uh, Apple E to expand your code. On a PC, I believe it's Control E. It's really helpful after you get used to it. Um, there's a whole thing about it if you do some research. I'm gonna add a resource link to the resource page up here. Um, there isn't anything there right now, but I will. So I'm just gonna go back, and I didn't lose anything because it saves as I type. But that's pretty much the tutorial. Um, just to go over a few shortcuts and tricks inside of Editor for Chrome 3.0.8. You can leave some comments on the video, what you thought, and you can try it out for 30 minutes from the Chrome Web Store for free. First 30 minutes are free. So I'd like to say that's just about it, and there'll be more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.